Let's talk about check if it's a straight line. So you're given a red coordinate. Coordinate I, x, y, where xi represent a coordinate of a point. Check if these points make a straight line in the xy plane. So this is pretty straightforward. So you can just actually pick random 2 points out from the array first and then find out the slope, and you can actually traverse rest of the point with the slope, right? So I'm going to say point 1, so it's going to be in array. Point 1 is equal to coordinate 0. Point 2 will be coordinate 2, coordinate 1, which is the second point, right? I'm going to say in x1 equal to 0.1, 0, x2 equal to 0.2, 0, and then y1 will become 0.1, 1, y2 will become 0.2, 1. And if you know the math, so this is the solution for checking the slope. So you have a third point, and when you add into the equation, the solution should be the same if you have the same slope. So y2, y1, x2, x1, and then there's a third point, and then subtract by the y1 and x1, or x2 or y2, doesn't matter, but up to you. So this is actually the comparison for the rest of the points. So for in I equal to 2, because we already used the 0 line, right? Less than coordinate length and I plus plus. So I'm going to say third point, which is 0.3. That depends on the coordinate I, right? And I'm going to use I'm going to write down x3 equal to 0.3, 0, y3 equal to 0.31, and using the equation for if statement, right? So here y2 minus y1 times x3 minus x1 is not equal, you return false, right? And if that's true, just return true. And this is straight math. So if you pick a random point with a slope and compare with the slope for x1 and x2, if not equal, then you just return false. And they just run it. If you not believe it, then just submit it. So this will be the solution, and let's talk about time and space complexity. So for the space, this is actually pretty much constant, to be honest. Even though I allocated every point out, right, but at the end, the Java will collect the garbage, so which is all of 1 at the end. And let's talk about time. This is all of n, right? So time is all of n, and this is just comparison, right? There's no additional time complexity. So this is all of n for the time, and all of 1 for the space if you want to set it. And this will be the solution. And if you want to subscribe, like the video, if you just please welcome and leave a comment if you have any question. I'll see you next time. Bye.